grade 4 color. Here to check your general knowledge. Question for grade 1. What is the spelling of samosa? Answer is S-A-M-O-S-A. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 2. What the house of spider is called? I repeat again. The house of spider is called. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 3. What is plural form of person?
People.
Yes, you pick the right answer. Answer is people. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 4. The sentence what are you doing is which type of sentence? Yes, you pick the right answer. Answer is interrogative sentence. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 5. What is the full form of EVM? Yes, you pick the right answer. You pick the right answer. Yes, you pick the right answer. Answer is electronic voting machine. Let's appreciate them. Thank you.
I am saying about my daily routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a bath. I get ready for my school. I go for my school and I attend my art classes. I eat my lunch at 1 o'clock. I go for my classes and I attend my classes. I go for my snacks. After finishing my snacks, the school ends at 5:45. I go for my hostel. I change my dress. I fresh up myself and come back to study hour. I eat my dinner at 8 o'clock. And I go for my bed at 9 o'clock. Thank you. Happy morning to all. My name is Kevin. Now I am going to say about my father. My father's name is Kenagas. He is a loving person who takes care of my entire family. He is an intelligent who answer all my questions. He is a builder. My father respects his own parents, my mother, and each memory of my family. Thank you.
Today I will introduce myself. My name is Happy morning to all. Today I am going to introduce myself. My name is D. Pawan Kumar. My school name is S.R. Vidyaniketa International School. My father's name is Govardhan. My mother's name is Sujata. She is a farmer. My favorite color is blue. Favorite food is chapati. I am 11 years old. Thank you.
My name is Ethan. Today I am going to say 14, 15, 16 tables. 14 1 is 14, 42 is 28, 43 is 42, 14 4 is 56, 45 is 70, 46 is 72, 47 is 84, 14 is 96, 14 is 112, 49 is 126, 14 is 140, 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7 is 105, 15 8 is 120, 15 9 is 135, 15 10 is 160, 15 10 is 150, 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 30, 16 3 is 45, 16 4 is 64, 16 5 is 80, 16 6 is 96, 16 7 is 112, 16 8 is 128, 16 9 is 144, 16 10 is 160. Thank you. Now we are singing song. My name is Jasper. My name is Nani. My name is Shloka.
He born on October 15, 1931 and expired in July 27, 2015. And the full form of APG is Aur Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. And his father name is Jainul Abdin Markayar, and his mother name is Ashiyama Markayar, and is known as Misalman of India because he played a key role in missiles and nuclear weapons of India. And he got a big promotion in NASA, but he left it and came to India. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Varnika from grade 6 Jasper. I am here to give a short speech on food. Food is precious. Let's not waste it. Our farmers put their heart and soul into growing it. We waste 1/3 of it. By saving the food, we are just not reducing the waste. We are also supporting farmers' livelihood, helping feed those who are in need, and protecting our planet. Make a conscious choice today. Plan your meals properly, store it properly, and compost it. We all will build a sustainable future for our farmers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself K. Bhavan of grade 6 Jasper. Now I am here to give a short speech on discipline. Discipline is an act of rules and regulation which we follow from our childhood till the end of our life. A well-disciplined person performs their work in a right way and in a given time. Discipline is something that keeps everyone in control. It motivates people to progress in life. Discipline is key to success. So be in discipline. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Sarayu. I am from grade 6 Jasper. Today I am going to give a short speech on Earth. Earth is the only planet in entire universe. It is sustains life and ecosystem. It is the third nearest planet to the sun and fifth largest planet to the solar system. It is also known as blue planet and blue marble because 71% of Earth's surface covered by water like oceans, seas and large rivers, and rest 29% of water covered with land. However, 3% is fresh water and the rest saline water of oceans and seas. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Akshara from grade 6 Jasper. I am here to give a short speech on Krishna Ashtami. Krishna Ashtami is a very famous Hindu festival. We celebrated it as Lord Krishna born on that day. The day is 26th August. The Krishna's father and mother name is Devaki and father name is Vasudeva. Krishna liked to play more flute and he liked to eat more butter. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone, myself Vishwaksen and here to give a short speech on praying lantern skill. Praying lantern is the topmost predator in the insect kingdom. It has sharp eye skill that will just kill any bug in sight. It is also known as the dangerous killer of insects. It's having a male and a female. Female is the larger one than male, but for male surprise, males have wings, but females do not because of their weight. Females, if they do not have food, they hunt females. So have a skill like a praying lantern and do not waste it. Thank you.
My name is Pimani Predi of grade 6 Jasper. Today I am going to say a tongue twister. If you trouble the trouble troubles you. I am going to repeat it again. If you trouble the trouble troubles you. Thank you.
Myself Vijay, I am from grade 6 Jasper. Here to give a small speech about our school SR Vidyaniketan. Hello everyone. I am proud to talk about my school SR Vidyaniketan, located in Art of Gadwal district in Telangana. Our school is a temple of learning where we grow and foolish under the guidance of our detective teachers. We are supportive and environment, explore our passion into interest. Thank you SRV for shaping us into confident and responsible. Thank you.
Myself Joshita.
Myself Yashashwini.
Today we are going to do conversation on freedom fighters.
Hi Joshita, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. Yashashwini, who is your favorite freedom fighter?
There is no particular freedom fighter, but I like all the freedom fighters.
Oh, but why? Favorite means there should be only one or two, but you are saying that all are my favorite freedom fighters.
I think you don't know the story of freedom fighters.
Yes, can you please tell me the story?
Many years ago, British people came to our India and tortured our Indians and killed some of them. But some people they inspired our Indians. Some people like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. We got they inspired our Indians and we started fighting against them at 1857 and we got independence from the British rule at August 15, 1947.
Oh, now I understood the story.
Josta, now you say me who is your favorite freedom fighters.
Now, all are my favorite freedom fighters. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Grade 7 Topaz to give a speech on Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India, whose full name is Narendra Damodaras Modi. He was born on 17 September 1950 and his mother name is Heraben Modi and his father name is Damodaras Malchand Modi. At the young age, he has worked as the tea-selling boy in the Vadnagar railway station. At the adult age of 18 years, he married with Jasper Modi. At the age of 18 years, he started acknowledging about politics to make India as a powerful weapon. He started his way by being the Chief Minister of Gujarat. At the year of 2001, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. From 2001 to 2014, he has worked as the Chief Minister of Gujarat and retired, and he has resigned the post of Chief Minister and became the Prime Minister of India at 2014. His dream is to make India a digital India by our youngster. He has released us many sites like Pariksha Pe Charcha and many more. A quote from Narendra Modi. This is the time for us to awake until we reach our goal. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ajay. I am from grade 8 Topaz. I am giving a speech on a butterfly. You know, all of you, butterfly. When it was not a butterfly, it was a caterpillar. It's simply eating and it's simply sleeping. When it thinks why I don't have goals. When it doing hard work, it takes risks. It will become a butterfly and it will be a good motivator to the people. It will be a attractive and attractive attractive insect in the world. We also like that when we don't have goals. When you think why I don't have goals, you will doing hard work and you will be succeed. You will be a great person in the world. Thank you.
Roshan from grade 8 Jasper. Honesty. A person who is honest will never be scared of the consequence they perform. As a result, they'll enjoy a peace of mind. A dishonest person will be scared of revelation of truth and leads a stressful life. The policy of being honesty helps us to be happy in their life. Honesty means truthfulness. Honesty method developing the habit of telling the truth in the course of your life. When a person who practice honest in their life has a strong moral character. As a honest person is well behaved, always follows the rules and regulations, speaks the truth, is disciplined and is punctual. As you know, there is a moral story about honest where a man lost his axe in the river. So I request all the SRV students to be honest like the person in the story. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Grade Jasper, I am here to give a speech. I'll tell you the two most important things in your life. Discipline. Discipline plays a vital role in your life and success. Discipline is everywhere in your life, and discipline discipline gives you everything in your life. Second thing, time. Time is very precious. You should not waste time. Time will not be back again. If you'll waste a second, you can't bring back the second. Thank you.
Great. Happy morning, everyone. My name is P. Vamsakrishnan. Today I am going to give a small speech about mother. Parents. Parents are the God who gave us birth. They will always encourage if you fall, if you fail, if you will fall. Also success. If you do a small mistake in public, they always talk bad about you. But our parents, if you'll do wrong things also, they will recorrect and encourage us. When you will fall, you will understand. When you will fall, you will success. Thank you.